everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I just got the Happy Kid 3-tier serving tray set, and I have to say it's such a game changer for parties. First off, look at this gold rack. It's super elegant and just adds an extra touch to any table setup. What's really cool is that it's fairly combinable, so you can adjust the tiers however you like. The platters are 12-inch wide, which is amazing because you can fit cupcakes, cookies, little desserts, or even some savory snacks without crowding them. And the porcelain feels really sturdy, none of that wobbly tray nonsense. Another thing that I love is that it's collapsible, so storing is a breeze. No more giant tier trays taking up your cabinet space. Putting it together is also super easy, literally a few minutes and it's done. Honestly, it's not just super functional, but it's pretty enough to be a centerpiece. The gold and white combo looks fancy but not over the top, so it works for tea parties or even casual get togethers. Overall, I think this tray set is perfect if you want something stylish, versatile, and easy to use. It makes your dessert look amazing and it also makes hosting stress free. Definitely recommended if you want to impress your guests without any fuss. And that's my point of view.